Hello guys, here is I have Samsung A14 5G. This phone is not charging. Phone is on but not charging. You can see phone has a 11% charge, but when I plug in, it doesn't charge. Let me plug in on charge, and you see it's not pops up on middle of the screen, but corner also not. Is 11% charge only. Let me try other side. Yeah, it doesn't pops up on middle of the screen. Corner also 11%. Yeah, look like it's a charging port issue, and charging port is not look like broken, but I don't know why it's not charging. Let me turn off the phone and see again it charge or not. Sometimes when you turn off it charge. Let me plug in. Let's plug in. Yeah, still is not charging. Let me try again. Yeah, it's not charging. So let me open the phone and change the charging port, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the charging port. Stay with me. To remove this back cover now, there is couple of lock, we have to unlock it. Just push up, it's gonna be come out easily. We are almost done. Now we don't want to lift it up all the way, we just lift it up slowly because there is a fingerprint cable. Now I'm gonna change the charging port, but we don't need to remove this all screw on top side. We just remove this bottom side. We just change the only charging port, so we don't need to remove on top side. So remove the all screw now. Done with the screw. Now you're gonna lift it up the speaker panel. You just push up, and with the finger you just lift it up. It's come out easily. You can see the speaker there. Now we're gonna remove this charging port connection. Here is the charging port connection. And now we're gonna remove this two antenna connection. There is one lock, just lifting up slowly, and it's come out easily charging port. That's the charging port is damaged, is somehow is damaged, so customer doesn't know. And now I'm gonna replace the whole charging port like that. And there is two charging port on the market. One is comes with only port, you can see silver color the port, and another is coming whole thing. So I'm gonna replace the whole charging port, so we don't need to solder. It's easy to replace. There is the new charging port, same as before, easy to install. Now I'm gonna install the charging port. Remove this antenna and just push it in. Let me grab it nicely. Yeah, just on top side first, then just push down and we connect the charging port connection. Now plug in on two antenna connection. And there is another connection we have to connect. And there is a lock, we just push in. It's gonna sticky. And just push it down this antenna line, so it's not gonna come out. And now we're gonna put it back this speaker panel and install all screw. Get down with the screw. Would you want to close all the way or just close on bottom side? See phone is charging or not. Let me plug in. Yes, it's charging now. So that's mean it's charging port issue. And you can see now is 11% charge. So we're waiting. Now I'm gonna waiting see phone is charge going up or not. Let me wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes is done. Now we're gonna try again. Yes, charge is going up. It's 13 now. So now we're gonna close the phone, install the back cover, and turn on the phone again. See it's charging. When we turn on, insert the SIM card and turn on the phone. It's turning on. Your phone is turning on now. Let me plug in and charge. Yes, it's charging. You see middle of that it pops up now. It's charging. It's 13%. It's middle of the screen showing up. Let me show you like on corner also. It's hard to see it on corner charging, but middle of that is showing us charging. I don't know you guys can see it or not. It's charging on corner also. If you have any question, let me know. And that's all right now. Thank you for watching.